Benjamin Franklin once said, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Think about that. Despite working tirelessly, earning degrees, and following all the so-called rules, so many of us are still struggling financially. Today, we're going to uncover 7 powerful money rules that can completely transform our finances in 2026. So sit tight, because what we're about to share could change the way we think, spend, and grow our wealth forever. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content guiding us toward financial freedom. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered why most people are still broke, even though they work hard, have degrees, and do everything right? Here's the harsh truth. The system isn't broken. You are just following the wrong rules. Think about it. You've been taught to go to school, get a degree, work a 9 to 5, maybe get a promotion, and eventually you'll be financially secure. But somehow, most people end up struggling, stressed, and living paycheck to paycheck. Stick with me until the end, because rule number 7 is something almost nobody does, but it's the single most important rule to protect your wealth and your future. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to fix your finances, save smarter, invest smarter, grow your wealth faster than most people ever will. And trust me, this is not theory. These are the same strategies the wealthy and financially free use, quietly, consistently, and strategically. Hit that like button if you're ready to take control of your money, and subscribe, because this could be the video that changes your life. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Sounds simple, right? But most people never do it. Here's the reality. You get your paycheck, pay bills, buy groceries, maybe treat yourself, and only what's left is saved. And often, there's nothing left. That's backward. The secret the wealthy know is simple but life-changing. Automate your savings or investments before spending a single dime. Let me give you an example. 2 people earn the same $3,000 a month. Person A spends first and saves whatever is left, usually nothing. Person B immediately transfers $300 to savings or investments. Over 10 years, thanks to compound interest, Person B could have tens of thousands of dollars, while Person A remains stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. Here are some things you should do before the year ends. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account. Make it a fixed amount so your future self doesn't have to think about it. And this is just the beginning. The next rule will completely change the way you think, spend, and grow your money. Rule number 2, live below your means and earn above your potential. Cutting costs is important, but if you only save without increasing income, your wealth will grow painfully slowly. You need both, spending wisely and growing your earning power. Let me tell you a story. Sarah earns $5,000 a month, but spends $6,000. She's constantly stressed, borrowing to cover bills, and never able to invest. John earns $3,000 a month, but spends $2,000, invests the rest, and steadily grows his net worth. Who will be financially free in 10 years? Exactly, John. Here are some actionable steps. Create a realistic budget and track every expense. Look for side hustles, freelance opportunities, or upgrade your skills to increase your earning potential. Treat your income growth like a second job. It's your path to financial freedom. And most people never realize this until it's too late, which is why so many will still struggle financially in 2026. Rule number 3, avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad. A loan to buy a house or invest in your future, that can be good debt. But credit card debt, high-interest loans, or financing a lifestyle you can't afford, that's bad debt, and it's silently destroying wealth. Imagine this. You make $4,000 a month, but spend $500 just paying credit card interest. That's $6,000 a year gone, disappearing into thin air. Here are some things you should do. Pay off high-interest debt first. Only use loans for things that increase your net worth. Learn to distinguish between wants and needs. This rule alone keeps most people in the paycheck-to-paycheck trap, no matter how much they earn. Rule number 4, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical emergencies, accidents, job loss, or even unexpected bills. Without a financial safety net, these events can destroy everything you've worked for. Let me tell you a story. Mark had a good job and was saving a little, but then he got hit with a $5,000 medical bill. With no emergency fund, he had to take a high-interest loan, and his progress was erased. Here are some things you should try. Save 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Start small if needed. $50 a week counts. Keep it liquid, accessible, and untouchable for anything but emergencies. Don't repeat Mark's mistake. Rule number 5 will show you how to make your money grow faster than you ever imagined, even if you're just starting today. Rule number 5, invest consistently. Most people fail here. They either don't invest at all, or they chase get-rich-quick schemes. The truth is, small, consistent investments beat random big bets every time. For instance, Alice invested $100 a month into a low-cost index fund for 10 years. Bob tried to pick stocks and time the market. Alice now has a growing nest egg. Bob barely broke even. Here are some actionable steps. Start with what you can afford. Even $50 a month works. Use automated investing platforms. Think long-term, don't panic over short-term losses. And now we get to a step most people ignore, but it's what separates the financially clueless from the truly wealthy. Rule number 6, track your money. If you don't know where your money goes, you can't control it. Many think they're careful, but hidden leaks drain thousands every year. Example, subscriptions, small daily purchases, impulse spending, they add up faster than you think. Here are some things you should do before the year ends. Use apps or spreadsheets to track income, expenses, and net worth. Review monthly and adjust. Make financial awareness a daily habit. Rule number 7 is the most important. Ignore it at your own risk. It's the final shield that protects everything you've built. Rule number 7, protect your wealth. Imagine working hard for years, saving, investing, and growing your wealth, only for it to vanish because of a scam, accident, or lack of insurance. Story, people losing everything due to unexpected events, lack of insurance, or financial ignorance. Get adequate insurance, health, life, property. Diversify income streams and investments. This is the rule most people ignore, but it's the one that ensures your money works for you, not against you. Let's recap. 1. Pay yourself first. 2. Live below your means and earn above your potential. 3. Avoid bad debt. 4. Build an emergency fund. 5. Invest consistently. 6. Track your money. 7. Protect your wealth. These are the 7 money rules that can fix your finances in 2026, and it starts with action today. Comment below which rule you're going to start with first. Share this video with someone struggling financially, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more strategies to grow wealth and achieve financial freedom. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make 2026 the year you take control.